Hey, hello and welcome to today's GFG problem of the day. Hope you're doing well. So let's see today's problem. Construct binary tree from parent array. So what the problem is saying is we will be given an array, a parent array. Okay. And let's say the indices for the elements, right? What are the indices? Let's write the indices. Okay. So what the problem is saying is these indices will be the nodes, will be the node values. And the elements at these positions, at these indices, they represent the parent of the particular node. So for example, for 0, the parent is -1. So when it is -1, it means that this 0 is a root. Okay, this 0 is a root. Okay, for node 1, the parent is 0. Okay, for node 2, the parent is 0. So let's construct a binary tree out of this. So for example, so 0 index has -1, so right, as a parent. So it is a root. 0 is a root. Okay, the one's parent is 0. Okay, one's parent is 0. Two's parent is 0, right? Sorry, three's parent is 1. Four's parent is 1 again. Five's parent is 3. Six parent is 5, right? So in this way, we want to construct a binary tree, okay, and we have to return the root of the binary tree. Okay, so this is the ask. Okay, now how can we solve the problem? How can we solve the problem? So what we will do is we will iterate through this array and we'll create a map of the node values of the node, or the indexes, right? These indices are what? The nodes, right? The node values. For example, for 0, right? So we'll create a corresponding, we'll create a corresponding node type, okay, for that particular index or for that particular node value. For 1, okay, we'll create a node type, corresponding node type of node 1. Okay, for 2, again the same, right? We'll create a node type. So this will be the map of integer and node type. Okay, 3, again 3 we created, right? 4 similarly, 5, 6, right? 4, 5 and 6. So in this way, we have created a map, right, of the node values and the corresponding node type, okay, and the corresponding nodes. Okay, so the first step we have done. Now what we are going to do is we will iterate through this parent array again. Okay, we'll iterate through the parent array again, and we'll check for example, first of all, we are going to check if parent of I, right, if parent of I, okay, if it is -1, right? Okay, then in that case, what we are going to take a root pointer, right? A node root pointer. Okay, and we'll assign, right, map dot get of I. Okay, so what, for example, if I is 0, right? I is 0, so it will get a node type, right? A node 0, and it will assign to the root. Okay, so here is a 0, here is a root. Okay, here is a root. Okay, okay. Now, if it is parent of I, if it is not -1, then what we are going to take? We'll take a child node. Okay, a child node. Okay, map dot get, right, of I. For example, now we are looking at this one, right? For example, I is 1, right? I is 1. So we got what? Child equal to this node, right? So for, let's say, this is the child, right? This is the child, for example, child. Okay, this is a child. So we got map.get I. Okay, the node type we got, right? The node type we got. Okay, we assign to the child. Okay, this is child. Now what we'll do? We will get the corresponding, we'll get the corresponding parent. Okay, for this child, we'll get the corresponding parent. So how we'll get it? So we'll get map dot get, right, parent of I. We'll say parent of I. Okay, so when we say parent of I, so I is what? 1. What is parent of I here? If you see, parent of 1 is, right, parent of 1 is 0, right? Parent of 1 is 0. So what we'll tell here? Node equal to node parent equal to, right? Parent equal to map dot get parent of I. So I is 1, parent of I is 0, right? Parent of I is 0. That's what we are saying, right? Parent of I is 0, right? We'll get the corresponding node, right, of 0. So what they're saying? Yes. So node parent equal to, will get node 0, right? This node will get. Okay. And what will say? Parent, if, what will say? What the condition will be? If parent of left, sorry, this parent, right? This node, this particular node. If left equal to null, then assign this child. parent dot left equal to child. That's what we are saying here, right? So this is the parent and this is the child, right? So what we are saying is we are assigning this child to the left pointer of the parent, that is a root. Okay, so that's what we are doing. So this is 0, right? Yeah. Similarly, if this parent dot left was not null, right? Then we would have checked for parent dot right, right? Anyways, if parent dot left is not null, then parent dot right must be null. Okay. If it is null, then we'll assign parent dot right equal to child. Okay. So next we'll iterate this particular element, right? Again, what we'll do, we'll say map dot get I, right? So get I is what, 2. So we'll get the node 2, right? This is child. And we'll say, we'll get the parent of this 2, right? So parent dot get parent of I. So what is parent of I here? If you see, parent of I is 0, right? Parent of I is 0. So we'll get this particular node parent, right? Again, the parent of 2 is 0 again. So what we'll do? So now we'll assign this parent dot right equal to child. So we'll do this, okay, and assign this. Okay. So in this way, this will be the intuition in solving the problem. I hope you have got the intuition. I think you will understand better with code. Okay. So before going to the code, I'll request you to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. So let's quickly code. So what you're going to do? First I'll show the Java code followed by C++. Okay. So integer, okay, and node, right? Map we have new hash map. Okay. So for int I equal to 0, I less than parent dot length plus I. Okay. Now what we'll do? Map dot put, right? Map dot put I comma new node, right? We'll create new node. Okay. For that corresponding I, right? We did this. We have already explained this. Now what we'll do? We'll again iterate through the parent, right? Array. We'll again iterate through the parent array. As I said, we'll check what? If parent of I, if it equal to -1, then simply what we'll do? We'll take a root pointer as well. Node root equal to null. We'll assign with null, right? And what we'll say? Root equal to map dot get I, right? Get I. Okay. And we'll simply continue. Okay. Else. Now let's, no need to write else, right? Okay. Now what we'll do? We'll take child. Node child equal to map dot get I, right? That means I is not, parent of I is not equal to -1. So we have come down, right? So node of I, we did this. Now what we'll do? Node parent, or let's write parent. Okay. What we'll say here, map dot get parent of I, right? Parent of I. So that we have already seen this, right? Now we'll check here. If parent dot left equal to null, simply what we'll do? Parent dot left equal to child. Else, we'll simply write else parent dot right equal to child. Okay, so that's it. This is a code. Let me, okay, and finally what you want to do? Return root. So we are manipulating the pointers, right? And with this, right, with this will form the complete binary tree. Okay, so let me submit it. Let me compile this. Okay, yes, it's compiled successfully. Let's submit. Yes, the test cases seem to pass. Okay. Yes, yes. So thanks for watching. I hope you have got the solution. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Also, let's quickly see the C++ code as well. So here is the C++ code. So we have taken unordered map here of integer and node star. Okay, asterisk. So here we are creating the, as I said, the node value and the corresponding node type map. We are creating that. Okay, and then we are iterating the parent. If parent of I, if it is -1, that means this I is a root, right? So simply we'll assign the node, the corresponding node type to the root. Okay, and continue. Then what we are doing here is we are having the child first and its corresponding parent. Okay. Then what we are doing, we are just assigning the child to the pointer parent of left. If it is null pointer, then assign child to parent dot left. Else parent dot child assign parent to the parent of right. Okay. And finally, we will return the root. Okay. So I hope you have got the solution. Okay. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video. Have a happy, healthy, and a great day. Thank you so much.